Hey everyone, Syed Aabis is here from Lancer.
Yeah.
Yes. First of all, I want to ask your age. How old are you?
I'm 17 right now.
You're 17? One seven.
Yep.
Just you're not.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm a minor. Yeah.
Sorry, we just chat about the stuff that he does before the interview, and he said I won 3 hackathons.
Yeah.
3 hackathon. Yeah. Can you mention about them?
Sure.
Just gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
So first of all, I won the summer camp hackathon, which
Okay.
was in 2020. The second half was 2020, in
Yeah.
which I came second in the payments category. The project was called Stellar Sol, but then due to certain issues, we did not continue that. Later on, there was a small community hackathon conducted by Lamport DAO, which was called
Okay.
Sandstorm. And
Oh my
there were like a lot of categories in that. I
Yeah.
won first place in the sports betting category. So I'm actually working on the side in that project as well. The name of the project is Disbet. It's a Discord bot that enables sports betting on Discord. But now the main thing that I work on is Lancer. So Lancer came first in the Web3 track in the Grizzlython hackathon. So I'm
Yeah.
a full stack dev there, and yeah, it's great working there.
Yes, that's perfect. Congratulations.
Thanks.
I know you from Lancer. Can you mention about them a little bit more?
Yeah, sure. So Lancer is like a Web3 talent marketplace.
Yeah.
So you can find talent there. You can message them. You can put your money in escrow. It's similar to Upwork, but it's on Web3, and it aims to solve all the problems that freelancers face in traditional Web2 freelance platforms.
Oh my God. So, okay, how did you get in the Solana ecosystem?
Yeah, so I got into Solana ecosystem because of a grant. So my friend introduced me to Superteam DAO,
Which one?
the Superteam India.
Superteam India. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
perfect.
it was around the end of 2021.
Okay.
And I saw that they are like really cool community, and I realized that they have this program called Instagrams. So you can apply with your idea, and they will tell if your idea is accepted or rejected under 42 hours. So I thought that it's pretty cool. So I came up with an idea and I applied for it, and I got accepted. So I think I'm maybe the second or third person to get accepted in the Instagram program. So I'm one of the earliest people in Superteam DAO, and so the project was basically a Solana dashboard.
Yeah.
So it's called Node Air. I don't work on it anymore because it's like a one-time project. I finished it and it's done. That's how I got into Solana, and then I realized the community is really great. So I continued building. Got a lot of support from Superteam members. So yeah, it's great.
Oh my God, that's just perfect. So, their developer is gonna see this interview, and what do you suggest them to go in Solana or another ecosystem that get involved? They wanna involved or something.
I think I get this question a lot, and the most common advice that I give, which I think is really, really important, is that you should build in public. That's because if you're building something while you are just sitting at a corner in your mom's basement, then that's not going to work out. You have to share what you're building because that's how your skills and your projects get into the eyes of other people. In fact,
Yeah.
the way I got into Lancer was because I had built this small project which was about Solana program automation, and the founder saw that. He
Yeah.
thought it's pretty impressive, and he asked me if I can do similar project for one of his clients. I worked on it. He really liked it, and he offered me to work full time at Lancer. So just a single tweet led me to Lancer as a full time developer.
Oh my God, so just the marketing kind of stuff is also important, but the developing is way better, way more important than this.
It really depends. I mean, whatever
Eh.
interest you have. I think a lot of people really emphasize on developers. They give a lot of priority. And
Yeah.
being a developer, I would say that developing is cool. But like all the other creators are the artists and
Yeah,
marketers,
yeah,
those
yeah.
are equally important for us. If you build something but it does not get to users, what's the point? And
Yeah,
that's what
you're right.
marketers and social media managers, all of them are important.
Yeah, you're right. And the open source thing, you are the second person that I say that saying this today. Yeah,
Yeah. I
this
think
is open source is important, kind of.
Yeah, I think building in public is important, like sharing what you're building, along with contributing to open source projects. Because this is like you are contributing to open source projects, so the founders of the project, the developers will also see you, and you will also get a proof of work built. So I think a lot of people struggle with this, that they don't have any previous experience to show to people.
Yeah.
So if you can't come up with something new, just improve
Yeah.
something existing. That's by contributing to open source projects. And in Solana ecosystem, we have a lot of open source projects, and there's a lot of things we can contribute to.
Okay, that's perfect. That's all of my questions. Before we close, is there anything you want to share from here to Superteam Turkey developers?
You can just reach out to me. I can talk to you if you have any questions. I can answer you.
Okay, you put your contact information in the video. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you for coming.
Yeah, it's good
And
to see you.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
Thank you.
You're perfect. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks.